What if you could earn affiliate commissions in as little as 30 minutes a day, even if you don't have a list, a social media following, or even a website? This is one of the simplest side hustles I found, and it's especially well suited for seniors or actually anybody who's looking for an additional stream of income. Before we get started, let me show you some proof. This is the back end just for one affiliate. Actually, we've had many, and you can see he's got actually, maybe over 100 affiliate commissions. He had one customer who ordered 50 times and stayed with us for years. And you can see we've been doing this for a number of years. I mean, we got 79 pages of commissions for this one person going back all the way to 2020. So you can see we've been doing this a long time, and it does generate sales. Actually, while I was doing this video, I got a sale. Just while I was doing this video, I got a sale. I'll cover up the personal information for privacy reasons. But right now you can see the date, 6/30/26. It was the $197 package. Now as an affiliate, you're going to get 30% of that. And this is a great deal because I give them 3,000 visitors a month, targeted visitors, for an entire year for just $197. And that is a great deal. So it's not hard to sell at all. It's a price point that people will go for. Now, this one affiliate did end up totally making, of all his sales over the years, $28,000. So I'm not saying you're going to make that, okay? But this shows that it's real, that people actually buy this stuff. That's what I'm showing you, all right? And that it is possible. He got one, whale of a customer, so he got a lot. But he gets orders besides that guy, too. So, and like I just showed you, I just got a sale while I was doing this video. So it's real. It works. It's a good deal for the people because it's a great package. And we give you excellent recurring commissions on it. So it's a total winner. Did you know that Google makes most of its money selling advertising? This side hustle helps businesses that are already spending money on Google Ads get highly targeted traffic for a fraction of the cost, often less than 1 cent per visitor. Even better, I'll give you the exact sales letter I've personally used over and over again to generate affiliate sales. If you already have an email list and or a social media following, simply comment affiliate below and I'll send you the affiliate link plus the sales letter so you can start promoting today. And if you don't have a following, it's not a problem. I'll send you several free places where you can reach thousands of people already looking for website traffic. So let's get into the business side of this opportunity. So step one is to sign up for the affiliate program at Real PPV Traffic. Go ahead and comment affiliate below, and I will send you the link where you can do that. What we're going to do is we're going to be contacting businesses that are already spending money on Google Ads. Now, the next thing you need to do is to get an app called Sideline. Now, this is an app which gives you a second phone number on your cell phone. It's like $14 a month. You get it from the Google Play Store, wherever you get your iPhone apps. All right. And it also has a web interface where you can send out text messages. Now, sending out text messages really works, and it works better than email, but you have to do it a certain way, and we're going to show you that right now. So first, we're going to pick a niche, and the niche we're going to choose, and you can choose any of a variety of niches, but I'm just going to take this one, cosmetic dentist, and we're going to go to a specific city. You can go to any city with this, but I'm just going to use this as an example. So I'm typing in Google, cosmetic dentist Miami, right? And now you're going to see these sponsored listings. Now, when they say sponsored, it means they're paying money for these ads. I'm going to come to maps because it's easier to see there. And these are their Google business pages. This is for local businesses. They should all have Google business pages. The smart ones do. Now, here we see two of them here, right? First thing we're going to do is we're going to take a screenshot of this ad here. Now I've done the screenshot. I'm going to come back here to Sideline, and I'm going to click Compose because I'm going to send out a new text. And I'm going to Control V or copy and paste. And now I have the screenshot of the ad. And this is the people we're going to contact. Now I come back here. I click on the picture. I scroll down a little bit, and I'm going to find the phone number here. And if I hover over it, I have even a little thing that will allow me to copy it. back here to Sideline, and I put the phone number right here. That's who I'm going to send the text message to. Now I'm going to take a message that I already have like this. Okay. Hi, I noticed you're advertising on Google. I have a targeted traffic source that costs less than 1 cent per visitor and has been working well for cosmetic dentists. If you'd like to see a short video explaining it, just reply back. Thanks, Matt. So they have a screenshot of their ad, says sponsored, shows they're spending money, shows that I'm targeting them. I'm just not sending this out to anybody. And I'm targeting their interest. I'm talking about cosmetic dentistry. That's what they do. So that's really important to be targeted. You know, people are receiving emails from everyone, but they'll pay more attention if they know that you look at their business, that you know something about their business, and you're targeting their specific industry. And if you'd like to see a video explaining it, just reply back. You never put your affiliate link in the text message, ever, unless they give you permission. And it just doesn't work. They'll just discard it as spam, and you maybe even could get complaints if you do it too much with Sideline. But our system keeps us under the radar. First of all, we just ask their permission, okay? And if they reply back, that is a lead. If they don't reply back, it's not a lead, okay? We're asking their permission to send them information. And they put their information out, and we are asking them if it's okay to send them. Now, you could go to ChatGPT and ask them to do 10 different variations of this message, because you don't want to be sending the same message over and over and over again, word for word. It just looks bad. You want to keep cool with Sideline people. You don't want them to think you're spamming people. Okay. And now I'm going to go here, and I've got this message, and I'm going to go ahead and click send. Okay. There we go. I've sent it, and we'll see what happens. People get their text messages, and generally, if they're interested, they'll respond. I've had plenty of people respond. I've got to get back to somebody who just responded yesterday. I'm going to do a custom video for them explaining how we can help their business. But this method does work. That's it. Do this just 10 times a day. Now, I want to talk about this. This is really important. Aim for consistency in everything you're doing and action. What I'm saying is, you may not get results right away. You very well may. I have sometimes put a text out and bing, right back. But you want to do the numbers, okay? Don't just go out and do 1,000 of these, get your Sideline account shut down, anything. 10 a day. That keeps you under the radar. Plus, consistency always wins. You want to be relentless and just stay under the radar with this. It's a side hustle. It also helps you stay disciplined. Just do 10 a day. I mean, you could probably get away with 20, but consistency is the key. Do your 10 and then move on. Also, it helps you mentally, because we all want that immediate endorphin rush of the hit, but marketing doesn't work that way. Like the sale I just got is probably work that I did 6 months ago. I'm telling you, I have people who respond to emails I've sent out years ago looking to buy. It's frustrating. I know we all want the hit right away, but go ahead and just consistently, whatever you're doing, say how many of these per day am I going to do? And don't worry about the results. That's the hardest part. Don't worry about the results. And that is the way to think about this and most of this. So go ahead and get started with this. You really have a chance at earning some commissions. Other people have done it and do it all the time. The price points are lower than like the high multi-$1,000 packages that we have at Top Rank Video. So people will just go ahead and order online on this without a lot of hand holding. So that's really great. They're just going to give it a whirl, because it's such a great deal. Like you saw, that one package, $197 for an entire year of traffic. It's a fantastic deal. Now, go ahead and comment affiliate below. I'll send you everything you need to get started. Link to Sideline, link to sign up for the affiliate program, the sales letter that I mentioned that you can sell out, the proven sales letter you can send out to your list. And I'll give you other places where you can post this letter as well. And if you found this video helpful, go ahead and like it and share it on Facebook. Maybe there's some other people who could benefit from this. I'd like to ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content just like this on affiliate marketing and how to promote your business online. And for more content like this, click some of the other videos that you see on your screen now. Thanks so much.